Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are preparing a famous TikTok viral video recipe, baked vegan feta cheese pasta. So let's get started. Add the cherry tomatoes to the baking tray. I have taken around 200 grams of fresh cherry tomatoes. Then season them by using 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 1/3 teaspoon of oregano. Add the vegan feta cheese at the center of the baking tray. I'm using Violive's feta cheese and it's so good. I'm adding some more olive oil, pepper, oregano and 6 finely chopped garlic cloves. You can also find all the measurements in the description section. Then bake this in a preheated oven for 30 minutes over 200 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, let's cook the pasta. Boil water in a broad pan and once it comes to a rolling boil, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of salt, followed by the pasta. You can use any type of pasta for this recipe. I am using the penne pasta. Give it a slight mix and then let it cook for a couple of minutes. If you're finding this recipe video helpful so far, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. After that, check the progress of the pasta. Once it's cooked, switch off the heat and separate it from the pasta water. You can always save the pasta water for the pasta sauce. Transfer the pasta to another bowl and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of salt and mix. This will keep the pasta fresh for a longer time and it won't get stuck together. By the way, it's really hot, so make sure to use a spoon. Also slicing some fresh basil leaves on the side. Nothing can beat the smell of the fresh basil leaves. They add this required freshness and flavor to the recipe. And the vegan feta cheese and cherry tomatoes are baked. Add the basil leaves to the tray, then mash the cherry tomatoes and mix it well with the cheese. Look at that. The cheese has melted beautifully and this is going to turn into an amazing sauce. Don't worry if yours get a little too watery because of the cherry tomatoes. Once you add the pasta to it, it will all combine well together. Breaking the cherry tomatoes like this is kind of therapeutic. I can hardly wait to try this. After mixing everything, add the cooked pasta to it. If by any chance the sauce is too thick, add some of the pasta water and it will be perfect. Add some more basil leaves and mix well. I ate this so fast that I didn't even record the last part of my video. Somehow I got a couple of good photos before I finished it all. You can prepare this incredible recipe in no time. So do try this at home and share your feedback in the comment section. You can also find the written recipe in the description section along with the list of ingredients and equipment. And if you liked this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. I will be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.